Hello, this video is going to be about how you can create Trello to-do list in your desktops. So for this, you have to open Trello in your desktops. As you can see that Trello is already open in front of me, and I want to create to-do list in one of my boards. So for this, I have to open a board here in which I want to create some list and I want to organize my work. As you can see that I already have some list here, and on that list I have added some cards as well. So if I want to create a list, here on the right side you will see an option which is about add another list. If I want to create a list, I will go to it and I will name the list as final work and then add list. So now you will see that my list has been added. And now if I want to create some cards and I want to add some cards on the list, I will go to the option which is about add a card. So if you want to add some cards, you will go to it and you can write whatever you want here. Final draft and add card. If you want to add some descriptions about the card, you can also do it by clicking on the card. When you click on the card, you will see that some different options are open in front of you. You can add your descriptions here and whatever activity you want to add. So that's how you can create the list in Trello. Thank you.